Do you want to learn the 3 skills to make money online? Bonus included. Modern life is moving at an extremely fast pace. What used to cost $100 now costs $200. Skills that used to sustain a family are barely enough for an individual. If you're watching this video, you probably know this. Maybe you started working 2 jobs, but you still struggle to pay the bills. Or you took up a gig online on sites like Fiverr, only to end up lowering your price into oblivion. You found out the hard way. There's always someone to do it for cheaper. Finally, you bought some crypto coin going all in with your hard-earned savings. You were hoping for the moon, and all you got was the sun. Don't despair. In this video, I'll show you the 3 skills being used to make money online anywhere. Why these skills are simple, yet many struggle and fail. And how to get on the fast track and start earning as you learn. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'll show you how to get 33 real-life lessons from a verified multimillionaire for free. Yes, free. I guarantee a mental shift on getting rich. But before that, if you would like to learn strategies, tips and tricks on modern wealth creation, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell in the description down below. Skill number 1, affiliate marketing. This is where you get compensated every time a business makes a sale from your marketing efforts. You typically get paid commissions per sale and less frequently by clicks or impressions. It requires you to have the know-how to generate traffic to links and convert them to sales. Skill number 2, e-commerce. This is where you facilitate the selling of goods and services over the internet. With a laptop, tablet, smartphone, you can start selling. You need to be business and tech savvy to keep up with the constant changes on online platforms. Skill number 3, investing in crypto. These are currencies that exist virtually and use cryptography to secure transactions. You can invest through decentralized anywhere and centralized exchanges. They are highly volatile. You win big and you lose big. After the first skill, you probably guessed the other 2. You know of them, and better yet, you may already be earning an income from them. They're simple, right? Get an affiliate link, generate traffic to it, get paid. Set up an e-commerce store, pay for some ads, get paid. Buy a crypto coin, wait till it 100x's, get paid. Simple, correct, but not easy. Push-ups are simple, doesn't mean they're easy. But with the right coach's guidance, you progress faster and reap more from your efforts. You try to figure it out yourself. That's the reason why you fail. You only hear of the few that succeeded by themselves. Maybe by the grace of God, you found a good mentor, applied knowledge from them, yet you notice gaps in your skill set. Not pushing past $10,000 in sales, etc. The media shows you this. 20-year-old crypto millionaire WizKid. What you will never see is a 17-year-old version of this kid spending all their free time learning about the blockchain. This kid is highly skilled. So how can you learn these skills in the most efficient and productive manner? By learning from millionaires who have succeeded and choose to teach. I know what you're thinking. Oh no, not another $3,000 mastermind. Nothing ridiculous like that. For the price of 2 large pizzas, you get access to the fastest growing online learning community led by millionaire professors. I can't guarantee the price will be the same by the time you're viewing this video. I understand that online scams are more prevalent than ever. All I can show you are receipts from students, wins, coming from learning from their millionaire professors. I understand you want to earn fast. Many students do exactly that. Remember, you'd be learning from millionaire professors. Years worth of optimization downloaded straight to your brain. That's why I placed a link to Hustlers University 2.0. You'll never have to worry about learning these skills ever again. because they'll teach you how in the most precise and concise manner for only $49 per month. As a thank you for all those who have watched the video to the end, as promised, 33 lessons from a verified millionaire. Go to the Instagram page you see on your screen. Who's the verified multimillionaire, you may ask? 4 times kickboxing world champion, Emery Andrew Tate III. The lessons are concise, learned the hard way, in the real world, not money Twitter. And if you'd like to learn more strategies, tips and tricks on modern wealth creation, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.